Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install apps without Apple ID. So let's start. First let's go to settings on our iPhone and then just scroll down and let's go to screen time. If you turn off screen time, just turn on the option screen time. When you turn on, just scroll down and let's go to content and privacy restrictions. Just click there. Just click here on activated and then let's go to iTunes and App Store purchases. So just click there. In this case, let's go to the second option that says require password. If you have don't require, it's okay. But if you have always require, you have to write your Apple ID as well as your password. So I recommend you don't require, and you can install any app on App Store without any problem, and you don't need to write your password for install it. So that is how we can do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.